Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will show you that how you can easily join our online live training session. Okay, so for that, first of all, you can simply check our all of those things from this link. So here you can see all of those details about this course information, and also you can check about that time for the new batch, upcoming batch when it will be start. You can see the 10 December. So all of those things you can easily check from this link. Okay, and it's updating daily, so you can easily get all of those, how many discount seat is available or not. You can easily check it from here. Okay, so if you want to join this online training program, as well as you can also check all of those course content for the first day live session, second days, third days, fourth day, fifth day, sixth and seventh day. Okay, as well as also you can see all of those benefit about this online training program. Okay, so after, if you want to interest to join this online training program, you can simply contact on this WhatsApp and also contact with this email. Then you can simply make your registration fee. After that, you can access in our Google Classroom. Okay, so after that, you can easily access in our Google Classroom. So here you can see this is the 13 best 7 days online training program, Google Classroom. So basically from this Google Classroom, you can get all of those information, such as you can easily access all of those practice code for that, as well as you can also access all of those recorded video class. You can easily access from the Google Classroom, as well as you can easily join from this Google Classroom. Here you can see about the meet option, so you can simply join, okay, at the time for your own region. Okay, so for that, here I put all of the schedule time. Here you can see for the different region. Okay, you can simply check all of on your own region what's the time. You can simply check it from this list, as well as also you can see about that class date. Okay, you can get about the class date. So we already provide the class date. You can easily simply check from here. So you can simply just click to the join, okay, for your appropriate time for your region. Okay, then click to the join. Then it can easily access in our live training session. Okay, so if you have any question or any doubt, you can simply comment in this video description, as well as if you want to join this online training program for the upcoming batch, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, as well also contact with this email. Not only for that, if you want, you can also check our another advanced online training program from here, such as Google Earth Engine, web application or web apps. You can easily check all of this course content. So as well as lot of training we also provide from the Study Hacks. You can easily check it. Okay, so today is no more.